take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
That said, they won't need very long in the oven. Boneless pork chops that are about 1 inch thick will need a 2 to 3 minute sear in the skillet and then 8 to 15 minutes of bake time in the oven. Thinner chops will cook much quicker, and thicker, or bone-in, chops may take a few minutes longer.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The interior of a muscle cut such as pork chops or steak is safe because bacteria can't reach it. The USDA continues to recommend cooking ground red meat to 160 degrees, because surface bacteria can get spread around during the grinding process.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Preheat an oven to 400 degrees F. Rub each pork chop with olive oil. In a small bowl, mix together salt, pepper, paprika, and onion powder. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until pork chops reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, which will depend on how thick the pork chops are.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.